to Language Experts, Interpreter and Translator Professional Development Training Channels. Thank you for joining us today, and thank you for your ongoing support and commitment. At Language Experts, we recognize and value the indispensable services our interpreters and translators provide to the Australian community, empowering them with effective and meaningful communication. Language Experts, in line with its established standards and practices in Australia and the Professional Code of Ethics, is committed to providing and supporting you on all aspects of your training and any other professional development requirements, including recertification points. Language Experts is delighted to offer you a comprehensive range of engaging and targeted training opportunities, assisting you to keep thriving and flourishing in your work as professional interpreters and translators. Language Experts is recognized as the one and only trusted training provider for translators and interpreters in Australia, offering structured programs and resources designed especially for our profession. When you attend our training programs, you will acquire and develop knowledge and skills to remain competent and stay abreast with the current professional standards standards and practices in Australia. You will also benefit from building and expanding valuable networks with your colleagues and others, as well as being able to claim PD points. Whether you're a current or aspiring practitioner, it's imperative that you have a solid understanding of your obligations relating to your professional duties and responsibilities. Summertime brings new opportunities for growth and development, and we at Language Experts have an extensive catalogue of modules and courses. In fact, there are 30 in total to help you meet your developmental and learning needs. This is an excellent time to consider what new skills you would like to acquire, or perhaps you may wish to improve your existing skills. Are you looking to renew your interpreter and translator credential? Whatever your needs may be, Language Experts has something for you to meet your requirements. Our comprehensive educational programs cover all the fundamental skills and techniques necessary for all practitioners to remain current and competent. We also offer specialization courses. They're short courses for practitioners looking to deepen their knowledge and skills in particular fields such as health and legal settings. And we are delighted to announce the continuation of our summer specials for the month of January 2023. So please take advantage of this opportunity to invest in your education. Here is a selection of what is on offer. The new Law Enforcement Interpreter and Translator short course is scheduled on Saturday, the 7th of January. The Introduction to Health Legal Interpreter and Translator course is scheduled on Thursday, 12th of January. The Ethics and Professionalism course, an essential for all practitioners, will be on Saturday, the 14th of January. The highly regarded Medical Terminology course is scheduled on Saturday, the 21st of January. The one and only Chuchotage Interpreter course will be delivered on Sunday, 22nd of January. The Linguistics for Interpreters and Translators short course will be delivered on Saturday, the 28th of January. The Duties and Responsibilities for Interpreters and Translators Working in Legal Settings course is scheduled on Saturday, the 4th of February 2023. If you are a translator, you may like to register for the specialization short courses, which include the Translation Techniques course, scheduled a few times a year, and next it will be delivered on Saturday, the 25th of February 2023. English vocabulary building and punctuation course is scheduled on Monday, the 9th of January. The English collocations and articles course is scheduled on Monday, the 16th of January. All language experts courses carry 20 PD points for recertification purposes. Or you may wish to attend one of 20 plus modules covering the essential skills and techniques such as the research skills, the transfer skills, the note-taking on consecutive interpreting module, dialogue interpreting module, sight translation module, to name a few. These essential skills modules carry 10 PD points each for recertification. If you intend to undertake an examination for any credential, Language Experts highly recommends you invest in your development of all these essential skills in order to maximize your success. For a full catalogue of our courses and modules and to register, please visit www.interpreterrevalidationtraining.com. Language Experts continues to proudly set the standards for the interpreter and translator profession in Australia. This is achieved by providing you with targeted training opportunities in line with our resolute commitment to you, the JCCD recommended national standards and the National Code of Ethics and Code of Conduct document. Language Experts expresses its gratitude to our loyal and committed practitioners who have been training with us for the last 20 years. Why don't you also join our ever-growing universal family of lifelong learners? Don't forget to take advantage of our summer specials and enjoy significant savings. These discounted prices are reflected on our website. If you have any questions, please contact us via our website. Thank you for watching Language Experts Media channels. Thank you for your support this year. Wishing you all a very Merry Christmas and a happy 2023 New Year. Please click on the like and subscribe button so that you can receive regular updates and exclusive offers. Once again, thank you and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.